So what kind of tools might you need or could you use to help you out with your workforce planning? Now, some of the tools you can use here are Workforce Gap Calculator. This essentially works out the trends and the future projections of your particular workforce. You can also conduct a skills matrix or training needs analysis. This is where you're comparing your supply, your current supply, compared to your demand, where it is that you need to go, so that you can work out what specific job roles are going to be required over a defined period of time for you. You may also need to look at your turnover and attrition projections. Now, turnover means people that leave your organisation. Attrition means people that are leaving that industry altogether. Both of these are important, and there are different ways that you can calculate that using some templates and some basic maths. Competency profiles are extremely important, and if your organisation isn't using these, then you're essentially letting your team run in the dark, which is not only uncomfortable for your staff, it's also very inefficient for your particular business. So by having clearly defined competency profiles, i.e. the minimum required skills for a particular job role, and career progression pathways, meaning what are the minimum core required standards training, so right through from your induction all the way through their career, so their desired and progressive training that they can actually do throughout their career with you, so that every single job role who comes on board not only has sort of the standard career progression pathway, but that they are informed again by the candidate or the employee's appraisals, so that they can inform their career progression planning as well. These all really help with long-term workforce planning, as well as help your staff know exactly where they stand within your business and where they can get to. You may also develop succession planning maps and strategies, as much as you might like to do your age and gender profiling as well. These are all templates that we can provide you with here at Main Training, so do feel free to get in touch with us if you'd like any of these templates. We can also actually provide you with training by coming into your business so that you can do this for yourself, or indeed we can actually do the whole process for you. So do get in touch if any of those services would be useful to you in your particular business.